So this might be the new rubber band theory. So normally you got a muscle. We use bicep, tricep. One side contracts, the other side elongates. So it's like a bicep. One side contracts, other side elongates. Right? Contract, elongates. But what happens is when you contract one side too long, what happens is that you get a permanent knot. Okay? A permanent knot. A permanent knot. Alright? And what happens with the other sides is that the other side is in a state of perpetual elongation. Okay? So this is what happens is when you get a knot is you get a perpetual elongation. So this side is a contracted muscle and this is an elongated weak muscle and this is a contracted weak muscle. And both of them are very unhealthy. And what happens is that your body will try to, in this elongation over time it gets longer and longer and this knot gets bigger and bigger, okay? And what happens with this knot and with this elongated muscle is your body will find a way to figure out a way to exercise or contract or heal itself, because if this elongated muscle gets too long, you're going to get really injured. So it compensates by using pain and or inflammation and muscle spasm. And what happens when that happens is that you get scar tissue or weird adhesives or bonds that are not normal. And what happens is a weird bond happens on that elongated muscle, okay? And that elongated muscle, what you call it? So, to get rid of pain, you just use the massage ball and press on that pain spot, and then it will hurt like hell, okay? So you just and then eventually that scar tissue will disappear. Okay? Disappear. But your tendency will still, because you have this muscle, not this contracted muscle, your tendency will always be elongated to compensate for the contracted muscle. To actually solve the problem, you have to get rid of this contracted muscle by also massaging this contracted muscle, which will disappear. And eventually that will give you a neutral position. That will not, but it will give you a chance at neutral position, because this side is still elongated and you have to figure out a way to contract this muscle.